Go home happy with the 2023 Honda Odyssey. Prepare to fall in love with this sleek and powerful Odyssey. Its connectivity and ingenious cabin features make navigating your life's many demands easier and more convenient, while its advanced safety tech protects your most precious cargo. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: heated steering wheel, pre-collision system, lane departure warning, navigation system, moonroof, hands-free liftgate, keyless entry, backup camera, lane keeping assist, premium sound system. Peace of mind is a beautiful thing. You'll enjoy that and more when you drive away in the Honda Odyssey. Take it out for a road test today.